The evolution of new energy begins with incremental breakthroughs, whereas battery technology is rewriting human civilization's blueprint. As dawn's first light awakens the Earth, energy manifests in its purest form, nurturing life and igniting human ingenuity. We break through the boundaries of energy innovation, delivering clean energy to every corner of the global world. YJC was founded in 2016, with its headquarters based in Shenzhen, China's global scientific and technological innovation center. Being the R&D headquarters of the group, we have been witnessing the humanity's steadfast pursuit of sustainable energy futures. This metropolis now leverages its new energy ecosystem to pivot the world toward an energy revolution. YJC Smart Factory is located in Shexian National Green Industrial Park in Huangshan City, nestled within a millennium-old Huizhou cultural heritage site, recognized as China's cleanest city for its ecological preservation, with eco-consciousness as our DNA, forging a blueprint where energy and ecology thrive in symbiosis. So far, we have established overseas bases in Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and Spain. We accelerate global energy sharing, fueling sustainable development worldwide. As trailblazers in the industry, we are driven by technological innovation at our core, committed to deliver safer and more economical energy products globally. Our focus spans high C-rating laminated power cells, multi-scenario power battery systems, full-scenario energy storage solutions. Leveraging cloud-based energy data management technology, we make energy smarter and more efficient, providing secure and cost-effective solutions worldwide, driving the world towards a sustainable future. Precision manufacturing is the lifeline of premium quality. YJC leverages fully automated production lines and intelligent inspection systems to establish an end-to-end precision management system. From raw material screening to finished product delivery, every process strictly adheres to ISO 9004 and IATF 16949 standards, ensuring exceptional stability and safety in complex operational environments through meticulous craftsmanship. Innovation is the core driver of sustainable growth. YJC anchors its strategy in technological breakthroughs, steadily increasing R&D, investment to explore new energy frontiers. Our R&D team, led by seasoned experts from Fortune 500 companies, brings over 15 years of specialized expertise to advance cutting-edge battery technologies, with 200 patents obtained and recognized as National High-Tech Enterprise and Specialized and Sophisticated SME Champion. YJC continues to lead the green energy innovation race. At dawn, our batteries energize electric fleets pulsing through cities. In 70-plus countries' logistics networks, YJC's modular battery swap tech boosts delivery efficiency. In ports, battery-driven AGVs execute precision cargo handling. On waters, zero-emission vessels chart a green maritime future. From home power manager to desert photovoltaic energy storage, we innovate based on real-world energy needs, fueling the energy revolution with customized solutions. YJC remains true to its original aspirations of green mountains, clear waters, clean energy, integrating ecological conservation with technological innovation. Deeply rooted in the new energy sector, driven by YJC's craftsmanship and innovation. At the forefront of the global energy transition, YJC leads the charge in building cleaner, low-carbon, secure, high-efficiency energy systems.